Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest news updates and helpful financial tips. Today, we're diving into a story that has been causing a lot of buzz across the country, especially for Social Security recipients, and it's something you really need to know about if you're receiving benefits. A huge glitch in the Social Security Administration's database led to the unexpected issuance of payments to beneficiaries, with some people even seeing deposits of as much as $9,100 in their accounts. Yes, you heard that right, $9,100, and it is a mistake. This issue has affected thousands of people across the United States and makes it extremely important for everyone receiving Social Security to check their accounts immediately. You might be wondering what exactly is going on and how this could happen. Don't worry, we'll break it down as we explain exactly what occurred, who was affected, and the steps you need to take to avoid any further issues. Let's dive right in and talk about how a simple database glitch led to some very unexpected payments that you definitely do not want to miss. The problem began on February 28, 2025, when a significant technical error occurred within the SSA's payment database, the very system that processes monthly payments for millions of Social Security beneficiaries ranging from retirees to people receiving Supplemental Security Income (SSI). What happened was that the system malfunctioned and incorrectly calculated payment amounts for certain recipients, leading to huge overpayments instead of their typical monthly Social Security check. Some beneficiaries even discovered that their accounts were flooded with unusually large payments, sometimes up to $99,100. This was not just a minor hiccup. It was a far-reaching issue affecting thousands of individuals who rely on Social Security benefits. And although the cause of the glitch is still under investigation, it is known that the error was tied to the system responsible for payment processing, which miscalculated the funds required to be sent out, resulting in inflated payments for specific groups of recipients. Imagine waking up and checking your bank account to find an unexpected deposit of $99,100, especially if you were only expecting a few $100s. This scenario created both excitement and confusion, with some recipients mistakenly believing they had received a stimulus or special government relief, while others were completely baffled by the sudden change. It is important to understand that these payments were not part of any planned increase in Social Security benefits. They were pure mistakes, and the SSA is treating this error very seriously. The payments are not part of a new program or a one-time bonus. The glitch was solely a system error, and the SSA has confirmed that they are working swiftly to reverse these mistaken payments. The situation has understandably caused confusion, and if you're a Social Security recipient, it is critical not to panic or assume that the money is yours to keep. The glitch did not affect all Social Security recipients, but did cause problems for a significant portion, with the majority being Supplemental Security Income (SSI) recipients, a program designed to help people with limited income and resources, particularly those who are elderly or disabled. Typically, SSI recipients receive smaller monthly payments, so when the system erroneously sent out overpayments of $99,100, it raised many questions. Additionally, individuals receiving Social Security Disability Insurance (SSDI) benefits were not completely exempt from the glitch. Although the overpayments were not as large for SSDI recipients, there were still several reports of inflated payments issued to those who depend on this crucial support, including individuals unable to work due to disability who rely on long-term benefits from Social Security. There were also reports of certain Social Security survivors, including widows and widowers, receiving unexpected payments, although these cases were fewer and less frequent. If you're wondering whether you might have been affected, the best course of action is to check your account immediately by logging into your Social Security account to review your payment history for February and March of 2025. The SSA recommends that if you notice any payments significantly higher than your normal deposit, it is likely the result of this glitch. Moreover, be sure to look out for any official communications from the SSA, as they will provide guidance on how to proceed further. Now let's discuss what you should do if you find yourself in this situation. First and foremost, do not panic. If you have received an overpayment, the SSA will eventually correct the error. However, there are a few key points to keep in mind. The SSA has stated that they will not penalize recipients who receive the mistaken payments as long as the funds are returned once the error is discovered. This means that if you have received one of these large payments, resist the temptation to spend the extra cash, even if you're facing financial difficulties or bills to pay, because the SSA will reverse these payments. And if the money is already spent, you could face complications or be required to repay the overpayment. What should you do next? First, check your Social Security account carefully for any notices or alerts related to the payment and verify the deposited amount. If it is significantly higher than what you usually receive, it is almost certainly due to this glitch. The next step is to remain alert for any official updates from the SSA, as they have been issuing statements and updates to affected recipients and will likely provide specific instructions on returning any overpaid funds. The SSA has indicated that they are coordinating with financial institutions to reverse the payments, though the process might take some time to complete fully. While this situation is undoubtedly inconvenient and may cause stress, it is essential to stay informed and follow the SSA's instructions closely. They will likely contact you to detail the necessary steps to avoid any future issues. So if you're ever unsure or have concerns, you should reach out to the SSA directly. Their customer service team is available to clarify the situation and ensure you are taking the proper actions. One of the most pressing questions right now is how long it will take for the SSA to fix this issue. Although the agency has been working around the clock to address the error, it remains unclear exactly how long it will take to fully correct the payments and return funds to the affected individuals. If you have received an overpayment, it is possible that the SSA will contact you soon with further instructions. However, the resolution may take a little while. So in the meantime, keep a close eye on your accounts and any updates from the SSA as they continue to investigate the matter. This situation is undoubtedly frustrating, but rest assured that the SSA is doing everything possible to correct the error. Additionally, in the spirit of transparency, it is advisable to document any unexpected changes in your account and keep a record of any communications you receive from the agency, as this can help clarify matters if any discrepancies arise later. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has helped clear up some of the confusion surrounding this glitch. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't forget to check your accounts regularly for any further updates or discrepancies.